राधे राधे दोस्तों, in today's tutorial we will learn about circle command. In Autocad, circle command has 6 options and those are in 3 categories. If you'll see each that line are mentioning that above is same category like center radius or center diameter, other one 2 point or 3 point, other one tangent and radius, and third one tangent and tangent. Okay, so friend, we let start. First we'll draw very simple, that is with radius. If you'll select and place any point, first you need to select a point, then you can give a radius like 100. Press enter. You can see it over a circle of 100. Now friend, their other option is also there, that is diameter. By using center and in place of radius, now you can need to place diameter. After selecting circle here, you also change your option from here. Like I'll select a point and then I'll enter diameter 50 and see drawn a diameter of 50. Now we'll go to second one, that is 2 point. Like you need to select any 2 point. If I'll go, as you can see, that is center. As you can select 2 point, that is diameter. The distance between these 2 points is considered as diameter. And other one 3 point. Here you need to select 3 point. Like I'll first draw a rectangle. Now if you'll select 3 point circle, you need to select 3 point like first point, second and third. So it is like a circle inside triangle or rectangle. It drawed a 3 point, and other one is, you can see tangent. If you select this, you need to select 2 lines from that circle is tangent and you need to give a radius, like I'll give 50. You can see it selecting these 2 lines. I'll undo. Now I'll go to 3 tangent. It is also similar. If you select 3 lines, those are touching. This is, you can see, these are tangent to these 3 lines. Thanks friend for watching my video about circle. If you want more upcoming video from basics, so please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.